Here's why your sales calls ghost you and don't close, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix this. So first, here's exactly why. It's not the price and it's not the prospect. And here's an anatomy of a broken sales call. Typically, there's no pre-qualification, which means anybody who books in gets an hour of your time. You don't know their budget, their urgency, their authority, or if they're even qualified prior to talking to you. You then show up to the pitch, you say, hey, here's my portfolio, here's my reel, here's my packages, here's my process. They needed you to be a doctor, and you came as a salesperson, shoving all this stuff down their throat. Then you talk deliverables and not pain. We do this many videos a month with these many edits, with this many revisions. Sound familiar? They are thinking about the ROI of the content, and you're just listing a bunch of features that they don't care about. Then you have no defined next steps. Hey, I'll send over a proposal. The proposal goes to their inbox, nobody reads it, or they read it, decide they don't want to do it because you didn't take the time to explain anything to them, and then they end up saying, let me think about it, and you follow up over email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and they never get back to you, and they ghost you. If this has ever happened to you before, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. And unfortunately, the call felt great because you never got a no. But the truth is, a great call with no close means you just did a free consult of work for no money. Here's exactly what to do instead. Here is the difference between a pitch and a diagnosis. You need to stop selling, you need to start diagnosing with your prospects, and you will close a lot more deals. Someone who pitches, the goal of the call is to impress them. They just want to impress that person on the call. If you are someone who is diagnosing someone's problem, like a doctor, you're only there to understand what their pain is. A pitcher talks about the portfolio, the process, the work, how great you are. Someone who diagnoses the problem talks about the prospect's problem and the cost of not solving it. Someone who's a pitcher ends with, hey, I'll send you a proposal. And someone who's diagnosing the prospect's pain says, hey, here's exactly how we're going to fix this, and walks the prospect through it. And the result with the pitcher is they end up ghosting you. And if you are someone who diagnoses the problem, you end up with a closed client. Because the truth is that prospects buy when they feel understood, not when they're impressed. And a call that closes has 5 phases. Number 1, the pre-call. You need to qualify the budget and authority first. And this is where your application or pre-call videos should do this before you get on the phone with somebody. And then when you get on the phone, you want to diagnose. Hey, what's not working well for you right now? What does that look like? You want to shut up and listen and let them talk about the pain. Number 3, you want to quantify it. What does that cost you every month or every year? And you need to get a number here because a pain without any sort of dollar amount is abstract and not quantifiable. Then you need to prescribe. Connect your offer to their pain. And this doesn't mean you say, hey, here's what we do. It needs to be more along the lines of, here's how we fix the problem you just told me. And then finally, next steps. You need to close the deal or book a follow-up meeting. Never leave with, I'll send something over, and then let them just ghost you off the call. And here are 3 questions to ask before you get on the call with somebody. Number 1, what's the main problem you're looking to solve? This gives you insight into what they're looking for your help with, and then frames you as the expert. Number 2, are you the decision maker or does anyone else need to be present for this meeting? Number 3, why are you looking to solve this problem right now? We need to get urgency around why they want to do it now and not later. Now, this is just a small peek at how we engineer a sales process that over 800 agencies have used. If you want our help doing this, click the link below, put together a short video on the next page. You can also apply to work with us there. I hope this helps.